Hi, good morning, everyone. This is Kingsley, the founder of Palmstream Confidential. I have something very unique to show you guys today. There's a business I started about 2 months ago, and I have actually not seen something as amazing, sincerely, something as amazing as this opportunity. Now, it is a cryptocurrency, and it is owned by the royal families of Dubai. And this cryptocurrency is sponsored by a bank called OCS. You can actually do your finance. OCS has well over 30 branches worldwide. Now, it's not a joker bank. I mean, it's a bank that is properly established, and it has roots in different parts of the world. Now they are pushing this cryptocurrency, and the value of this currency is appreciating. Now, all you need to do is just to purchase a hub, and then you'll be minting this coin at the comfort of your home. So when they say making money while you sleep, this is exactly what it means. Whether you are logged on or you're not logged on, whether your computer is open or your computer is closed, whether your iPhone is open or closed, you are making money by the day. Now, it does not affect your normal business. If you have other things that you do for a living, you can continue with your normal businesses, but let this hub mint coins for you. Let's just go to my back office and let us have a look at what is happening in this space. Awesome. So this is my back office. And here, I mean, I have from registrations, I have earned this. That is for those of you who enjoy doing MLM like myself. You know, Palmstream Confidential, when I founded the organization, what I've always had in mind and what I'm doing actually is to scout for genuine online businesses that I'm sure that you will not lose your money when you invest in them. And I bring them on the table. Now you look at them, I'm not giving financial advice, but you look at them and then do your own due diligence. But every business we bring on the table are businesses we are sure you will not lose money through them. Rather, you make money. So here, I have made a payout of 2,252 euros, well over $1 million within this very short period. And then my organization in this particular account has about 12,696 euros. Now, this account has grown to become a ruby and will soon become a double ruby. And that's plenty bonuses. The bonuses you're seeing here was actually paid me. And for 6 months, I'm going to continue to earn those bonuses. Now, by the time this account hits double ruby, the bonuses monthly will increase. Guys. I mean, if you are not gainfully employed, you have time on your hand, take advantage of these opportunities and make something great out of life. So I'm just going to bring up a friend of mine, let him talk to us about his own account. Okay. Okay, here we go.
And you can see, right, in my account, I have 16.42 CIMIC coins. And then I have 53.51 euro. The most common question that people ask is, how do you make money with Sapphire? So the first way for us to earn with Sapphire, and this is the easiest way for you to earn, is that you don't need to recruit anyone, you don't need to speak anyone on this first method. And the first way for you to earn is by buying the technology, which is explained on this third video. At around the 20-minute part of the video, this guy explains the potential earnings if you buy the hub. So what happens here is that when you go to Sapphire, if you go to the part where it says a shop, this is where you go, right? So shop. In this part where it says shop, this is where you can buy the technology. So Sapphire is a fintech or financial technology company. So what we're doing here as an investor with Sapphire is that, let me just quickly give you like a representation of what we're buying. So if you ever heard about crypto mining or cryptocurrency mining, This is a representation of a cryptocurrency mining farm. So we have these supercomputers and there's a lot of technology going on, and cryptocurrency mining is profitable. Now, the most common problem is that if you will try to build your own cryptocurrency mining farm, is that you need to set up these, supercomputers, and it takes a lot of infrastructure, takes a lot of real estate, and it takes a lot of electricity. Now, the good news with Sapphire is that as an investor, we can participate with this kind of setup, which is the cryptocurrency mining or minting farm. And the good news is that we don't need to have this set up like physically in our house or backyard, because Sapphire already have that technology. And as an investor, what you can do is you go to this part where it says shop. You have the options of buying the Sapphire minting share, which I already explained in some of my other videos. So if you purchase the Sapphire minting share, the lowest package you can buy is the 1/32, and that will cost you 100 euro. The minimum investment required to get the Sapphire minting share is 1/32, which is 100 euro. So when you go to the Sapphire minting share, it's entirely up to you. You can buy the 1/32. You can select these different options. The 1/2 Sapphire minting share is 800 euro. The most popular option that people buy is the Sapphire Minting Hub, which is 1,499 euro. So the Sapphire Minting Hub is the hardware processor, which is the full master node. Now, when you go to the Sapphire Minting Farm, for those of you who want to be more aggressive, you can also go for, let's say, 2 Sapphire Minting Hub, right? So 2 Sapphire Minting Hubs, that will be 2,950. And then you can select whether you want to buy more, like 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256. Entirely up to you depending on your budget. My recommendation is you start with at least the Sapphire Minting Hub. So that's 1,499 euro. Now, before you click on buy now, the first step that you need to do if you want to buy the Sapphire Minting Hub is that you go to the part where it says wallet. So you go to the part where it says wallet, you click on deposit. And then on this part, you will see that Sapphire will give you a unique wallet address depending on which cryptocurrency you want to use. Now, before we go through the different cryptocurrency, the easiest way for you to fund your wallet, you click on this part that says additional deposit methods. So you click on that button and it will take you to this page where it will give you a couple of other options. So you have this Reshape Exchange, this DOS Coinway. The easiest way for you to fund your wallet is by credit card. So this part right here.
Yeah, but okay, in this part of our world, the easiest way for you to fund your account is to use the purchase cryptocurrency, like especially Litecoin. Litecoin is very good. Litecoin helps you to minimize gas fee, and then let's say you are buying the single hub, like he has explained here. It's good to have a full hub. That's about 1,499, which is about 1,020,000 thereabout. Now, when you fund using cryptocurrency, the gas fee you'll be paying will be less than 1 naira as your gas fee. So I encourage you to use Litecoin instead of the credit card, because for the credit card, they're going to charge you almost $100 for that particular transaction. Okay, let's continue.
The Sapphire Minting Hub is 1,499 euros. So this is where you put, let's say, 1,600 euro just to cover any fees in case there will be, you have your Bitcoin. So you click on send receive. So you will be sending the Bitcoin to your Sapphire account. So let's say 1,900 US dollars. And in the part where it says to mobile, email, or address, the address that you will use is this part. So you copy that, go back to your wallet address and paste that address. And on the notes, this is where you put the notes. So let's say you put Sapphire and select the payment. So it's Bitcoin. So click on continue, complete the payment. And then that amount that you sent will be sent to this wallet address in Sapphire. And that amount should show up in this wallet, which will be automatically converted into euro. So once you have that amount showing in your wallet inside Sapphire, the next step is you go back to the part which says shop. And then from here, you click on buy now and agree to the terms, and that OK button will show up. So you click on OK, and what will happen is that if you go back to the Scenic hubs, this is where it will show you that you have purchased these different hubs. And each of these hubs will show you the amount of coins that you will earn. So without recruiting anyone, without talking to anyone, so it's a one-time purchase. And then as long as the hub is connected, you can see it's connected, you will start getting and minting these coins. And
okay, now you heard him clearly. Without recruiting anyone, you can actually make a lot of money from this business. Now, Sapphire Zenith is one awesome business that I think every one of us, everyone should be actively involved. Try as much as possible to sign up using the description below. And remember to join our team so that we can always give you assistance whenever you have need of any. So I'm going to stop this video here so that I don't make it too long. In subsequent videos, I'm going to explain how you can also make money by running the MLM. That's if you want to make much more money. The MLM is awesome because this is a business that you can introduce your relatives. It is safe. You cannot lose your fund. Okay, so my name is Nobu Kingsley. As I have been able to, I'm sure I've been able to break this down a little, and with the help of my friend here. So see you in the next video. Remember, this is Palm Spring Confidential. And this time of the year, we are working at banking the unbanked. Try as much as possible to go through our other videos and make money. See you. Bye for now.